Did you know that the US space program has a budget of over $20 billion for the year of 2018? Today, I would like to discuss why the United States should limit its funding on the space program. Just imagine the thousands of more useful ways that those billions of dollars could be used in our nation. First, I will talk about how there aren't as many direct benefits to the people of the US when it comes to having a space program. Second, I will discuss how we have many other problems and issues within our country that should take a priority over exploring space. Last, I will examine some ways that this money could be used better within our economy. To start off, the space program today doesn't offer as many benefits as other types of science could. We can and should be using that money to take care of our own country and its problems, as well as to create more beneficial innovations before choosing to explore space. The space program has offered virtually no direct benefits to the people of America. I mean, sure, we have things like Velcro and the pen, but those are only indirect benefits and side effects of space exploration, not direct benefits. Scientists and inventors could give us the exact same, if not better, products at a fraction of the cost if space exploration was taken out of the equation. Many of the space advancements happening today aren't exactly related to everyday life either, which is exactly why we should focus more on how to create cheaper, more relevant products that have to do with today and its problems. The space program also shouldn't be one of our country's top priorities. We have many other, more pressing issues to solve in our country than how to get to Mars or to one of Jupiter's moons or something. We should be focusing more on how we can help the poor and hungry in our country. Many people are suffering from lack of food and money and are in drastic need of help. This is why we should divert more of our attention and resources to how we can better our economy and overall well-being as a nation, rather than researching something that doesn't even pertain to our nation's health and benefit. According to the budget history of the US space program, NASA alone will spend over $20 billion this year on its space program. This is an insane amount of money that could be used for many other better advances that could more fully benefit our nation as a whole. For example, we could use this money to start thousands, if not millions, of new jobs for jobless people in America. This would give them an opportunity to finally live a good life and be an asset to our nation. This fact, along with many others, is one of the reasons why I think the United States should drastically cut the space program's funding and use its money and resources to deal with the more pressing issues in our country. The United States is already deeply in debt and cannot afford the costs of having a $20 billion space program. If we were to cut the space program's funding down to about $5 billion, that would give the government around $15 billion more dollars to use for the benefit of the nation. This would provide a way to more fully help our economy and nation prosper. Many jobless people would finally have good, sustainable jobs. Many starving people would finally have enough food to sustain a family if this money was used to help them. If we would choose to lower the funding on the space program and put it towards more plausible and sensible motives, our nation would become far better than it already is today. So I would like to leave with this question. Why shouldn't we take the opportunity to help those that are in need by putting this money towards a better cause? Thank you for your time.